ever heard of a slaughter. I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test me?
When you gonna put me up in one of your videos or something? You know I can still get out. Check this out.
We are currently at the Beverly Hilton Hotel, where the Oscars were filmed.
Dressed to impress.
Exactly.
But we're gonna cut it off short and sweet because we do have another audition to go to and many more. But we'll keep you tuned on Instagram. So don't forget to follow our Instagram, roseandgold.us.
Exactly. And make sure to stay tuned for the latest and greatest episode of Rose and Gold, as well as the She's Hot contest, because that will be coming up soon.
That's
We're
right.
in the process of contacting Miss Vivica A Fox. But I'm gonna get to my limo. Where's my limo at? But Kylie Jenner, that's for you, baby. We'll see you in the next episode of Rose and Gold.
We have a meeting to go to right now.
Exactly. We'll see you guys in the next episode.